Hi guys, it's Habib here. This is a good news for the whole Ghana and Ghanaians as a whole. Do you know Idris Elba? And a good news also for the Ghana movie industry. Idris Elba came to Ghana recently and he met His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana. And now Idris Elba adds Ghana to the list of African countries he wants to partner with when it comes to movies. You understand? So Idris Elba, whose father is, a Sierra Leonean and his mom is a Ghanaian. Now, he came to meet the Ghanaian president, and let me quote what he says. Now, Idris Elba, during a meeting with the president of Ghana, discussed building a film studio in the country, and this is going to boost the Ghanaian movie industry, which is dying or is already dead. Now, it continues. He also urged the president to create favorable policies for filmmakers to thrive. This is what a lot of the actors and the actresses have been wanting for long. Policies that will help them in creating more content, and for the government to also get them a kind of like studio or a movie village. You understand? And a lot of actors and musicians have pushed for this for a long time, but still nothing has been done. And it continues. He noted that he has plans to shoot a movie in Ghana, and don't forget he was the one who also shot The Beast of No Nation, or let me say he was part of that movie. He was Agu's master. Do you know Agu? You can remember, right? So this is a good news for Ghana. As it continues, in the video from their meeting that has gone viral on social media, Idris Elba was seen pitching the idea of establishing a film studio in the West African country. He noted that there is a lot of filmmaking potential that the lack of facilities has stifled. He also spoke about the importance of government policies in boosting the film sector in Africa. A lot of Ghanaian, filmmakers have spoke about this a lot, but still nothing has been done. Whatever it is or whatever you know about this, leave it in the comment section down below. And I quote, Idris Elba said this: "We've studied the models of obviously South Africa's incredible incentive package and around Europe, obviously Greece, Morocco. These are all places where they realized the value of the filmmaking dollar and have brought the policy into play. But what about West Africa?" It continues. He said to the Ghanaian president, the blockbuster actor revealed that he has a movie he is currently shooting and would love to shoot some part of that movie in Ghana. That's a plus. And before I leave this video, this is a short video. He also told the Ghanaian president that he intends for this film to be proof of concept. It would be very beneficial for us to show and to make an announcement to the world that Ghana is open for business. Yes, it is. Here are the steps. The policies are in place and we have actually bringing a film to our country, and we are going to put our money where our mouth is. This is kind of an investment, and this is going to boost the Ghanaian's economy as well, because the more people sell the movies out there, the more the money comes into the system. I think this is a good news for filmmakers, actresses, actors, musicians, and the whole of the Ghana music and movie industry. What do you think? Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below. And it continues. So this news, you can go and read the rest for yourself. I don't want to talk much here. You can find it on the Business Insider Africa. The reason why I was doing this video is I'm into filmmaking. I shoot videos and edit a lot. So mostly on this channel I do a lot of tutorials. So that's why I decided to take advantage and bring it to my audience, because a lot of people watch my tutorials. So mostly I'm into tutorials. I teach how to edit videos, especially using InShot, and I also teach how to do a lot of things concerning tutorials. That is why I just decided to take advantage of this Idris Elba coming to Ghana to meet our president and also share his interest in the Ghana movie making industry, and also decided to build a studio in Ghana. It's educative, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. It's still your boy Habib Educate, so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Guys, have you watched the video I did yesterday or I did recently about the iPhone or Android? Which one do you prefer? Go watch it. Very interesting video, and that's my first time on this channel going out to interview people. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.